How to listen to YouTube videos with screen off. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open YouTube application on your device. Click on the U icon on your profile. Then click on settings. In the setting, you simply need to go to the membership and purchase. Once you do, simply click on Learn More option. After that, you will see list of premium membership option on YouTube application. Click on any one of it which is suitable for you. Provide your credit card and debit card detail. After that, once you are a premium member on YouTube, you will be able to listen to your videos with screen off. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.